what is your approach to selling, and what are a few criteria that you go through when you decide whether it's time to sell something or not?
Most of the time, like I say, I'm not looking to sell until I've held it over a year. So I kind of check my portfolio maybe once a week, and I just see who's my biggest gainers. And if somebody's like at 70%, then I say, or they've jumped up a lot, because I kind of remember where they are. So if they jump up a lot, I'll go and do a technical analysis on it, and I'll see, does it look like, this is going to continue to go up, or do I think it's going to correct? And so some of the things that I'll use are like Bollinger Bands. I'll get too technical, but I use the Ichimoku and Fibonacci. And so I'll see if it's oversold. If it's oversold, I'll usually sell about half of it. And then I'll plan when I want to buy it back, and I'll set buy limit orders and just go ahead and commit to that, So I'm not usually selling to get rid of it forever. I'm usually just selling in order because it's oversold and I think that I'm going to take a profit, and then I'm going to buy it back so I can buy back more at a lower price. And the only other time I would sell something, if I'm just going to sell it to get rid of it, is because I no longer believe in it. Something's happened in the news, they've changed leadership, or they've gone some different direction that's not why I invested with them, then I'll sell it, So it's really about the fundamentals, and other than that, I'm just doing technical analysis to see, is the market up for some reason? So I'm going to go ahead and sell it because I think it's going to correct, and then I'll buy it back at a lower price.
I love that. It's quite straightforward. If you simplify it that way, it's either the reason you bought in it that doesn't apply or doesn't hold true anymore, or the second one is just to take some profit off the table when the market being sort of irrational or exuberant about a stock on its way up. I love it. That's a really, really good way of thinking about it.